My personal information. I'm Ivan Rojano. Actually, my profession is supervisor of a banana crop. I am from Ciénaga, Magdalena, and I live in Ciénaga. My favorite hobby is play guitar. I'm 23 years old. I'm studying industrial engineer in Ateonat, and my favorite TV show is series like Final Space. My family. My family is my mother, Nancy Anguila. She is 56 years old. She is from Plata. She is short. Her eyes are brown and she is so lovely. My sister, Irania Rojano, she is psychologist. Physically, she is short and her hair is black. Her eyes are brown and she is 20 years old. She is from Santa Marta. My niece is Anili Marulanda. She is from Ciénaga. She is so pretty. Her hair is curly and her skin is brown. She is a student at the Ciénaga College.